Yeah. What can you say? Ayaw kasabi si John Rex, delikado.
Pare ka sabi mo.
Sige.
Nilalabas lang sa manin daw.
Sige. So, John Rex, what happened to you a while ago?
While driving to MOA.
What?
The bus hit me.
Where?
That side, pre.
Right side of the...
Right side of the car. I'm with Marol a while ago.
Yeah, your girlfriend.
My girlfriend, my love.
Yeah. So, what do you think she's thinking about you right now? Letter S, man. Letter S. Come on, come on.
Super cute, pre. Super cute. driver. No, I think I'm stupid too.
Yeah.
I'm a stupid driver.
Stupid pervert.
You introduce Bri, our new dorm mate.
What's up, Bri?
Hello.
What's up, Jay? I'm the guinea pig. And I'm Macbak, the magician. Love you, Anna. I miss you so much. Oh, ba't ako nag-I-love you, pare? Bad trip. Yeah, hindi na kami maliligaw. Pare, parang malito. So, tingin mo, pare, papagalitan ka ng mami mo?
Of course.
Yeah.
Walang inang hindi nagagalit sa stupid na.
Probability of
I'm so down today.
80%. What's new, pare? You're dumb today, you'll be dumb tomorrow. You were dumb yesterday.
Go! Damn, motherfuckers.
By far.